फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। As you guys know, I don't upload super frequently these days because of my college and everything, but I'll tell you that now I have a little bit of time, and I think for like a 1-2 months you will get regular uploads because workload is a little bit less. So I think I can film more videos for you guys. And yeah, that was it about the life updates. And now we are making fans favorite fantastic ties. In my recent video, some of you guys have commented some suggestions, and one of those comments were this one who gave me links, and I really appreciate you guys who give me links because I can just go there and see the video and try that video. It's super easy. I'll test this recipe for you guys and let's see if this is a fake video or not. Here's the recipe. So I basically fast forwarded it for you guys, but that's the idea of the recipe. Now let's see and let's try this recipe if this actually works or not. So let's get started. So fantastics, let's now start trying our recipe. So for that we need a bowl. Let's take a bowl. So here's the bowl, and let's add our first ingredient, that is shampoo. So here, as you guys can see, we have our shampoo, and basically you guys can literally use any shampoo that you have at home because it really doesn't matter. If you see the ingredients behind the package, every shampoo has literally the same ingredient. It will not hinder with the recipe or anything like that. It's totally fine. So you guys can use any shampoo that you have at home. I'm just going to take a little bit because he just took this much and it took him a lot of cornstarch to activate that little amount of shampoo. So I'm just going to take a little bit as well, as you guys can see. So about that much. I'm going to add a little bit of coloring into it. That's optional. You guys can literally skip that. I am using this watercolor. So let's just add a little bit. That should be enough. Because this is like a blue slime. His slime was blue. So I want to make it blue as well. So let's mix this. So now it's pretty visible, and now we'll start adding our cornstarch. So now you guys can literally use any kind of cornstarch. It really doesn't matter. Whatever you have at home, you guys can simply add it. So I am using this cornstarch. You guys can literally call it anything. And if you don't have these ingredients at home, I'll just give my Amazon shop in the description. So the first link in the description, you guys can go and check it out. That's my Amazon shop. You guys can shop from there and you guys can help the channel out. So now I'm adding the corn flour. So as you guys know, cornstarch is like also a very weird kind of a powder. Mixed with water, it has an oobleck consistency, but now I don't know how it works with the shampoo. It's literally not forming any kinds of slime, but I'll just keep adding more and more cornstarch and let you guys know how that actually work out. So now I'll just shut up and I'll fast forward this whole thing so that you guys don't have to, wait too much, and I'll just fast forward it. I'll not cut the video. I'll just fast forward it for you guys. Guys, my camera is overheating, so it might not be clear, but yeah, this is the last thing, and I'll just knead it and come back. So fantastic. As you guys can see, I've actually added a little bit more shampoo to it, to make it a little bit liquidier, and then I added a little bit cornstarch so that I can get this into this consistency. But as you guys can see, this and this is not same as, if you don't have any glue or any kinds of activator at your home right now and you want to make this, then make it. Like, it's really fun, it's super nice to poke and everything. But let me tell you guys, this and this is literally not the same. I know when I see a glue slime and a no glue slime, that slime is definitely a glue slime. Like, it is super obvious. Like, there is no cornstarch slime that stretches like this, and yeah, that's just a fake slime video. Actually, seriously cuts his video like this, and you guys can see the slime has changed in the color. The residue you guys can see in his container, that's literally a different color from the slime he's holding. He's literally faking it, and you guys can see that clearly. And this is what actually forms when you mix cornstarch and shampoo. It's really not that bad. It is super fun if you want to play with it, just as a sensory toy or anything like that. But yeah, that video is fake. And yeah guys, that's all. If you like this kinds of videos, small testing videos, then make sure to give a lot of links that you guys find suspicious in the comment section down below, and I'll try it. I'll try every one of those until I don't have any super hard exams or anything like that. And I promise I'll give a lot more content to you guys. And yeah guys, that's it. If you're new here and you're not subscribed to my channel, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let's hit that 50k super soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.